Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradupa and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 9th of January today, Tuesday, and large investors are accumulating Bitcoin in anticipation of spot ETF and the quotes are rising, and today we will observe short-term forecasts for this trading week. And we have an article today by Tom Petrenko. So the previous trading week ended with minimal bonuses for Bitcoin and significant stress for investors, and due to high levels of volatility spurred by the anticipation of Bitcoin ETF's approval, the cryptocurrency price made several severe jumps, leading to substantial liquidations of traders' position. Despite this, sentiments in the crypto markets remain positive, instilling optimism at the start of the new trading week, and bullish sentiments are also clearly visible on the chart, where we see a 4.5% increase in quotes over the last 7 days. The new trading week also started with a significant rise of more than 1.2% thanks to high buying activity from Asian investors. Given the high level of expectations for Bitcoin in connection with the potential approval of Bitcoin ETF, there is every reason to expect sustained bullish sentiments in the current trading week. And obviously, the main focus of crypto investors will be on the Securities and Exchange Commission and its decision regarding the approval of spot ETF. And investors did not receive the desired response from the regulator at the end of last week, but judging by the fact that the price recovered over 44,000 level, optimism remains. And it's quite possible that the commission will announce the results this trading week. Despite the high level of anticipation of this, the main and more long-term influence on Bitcoin quotes will be inflation data, which will be published on Wednesday, January 10th. Giving investors an idea of further Fed's actions. And it should be noted that the positive sentiment have been reigning in the financial markets for over a month due to the growing confidence that the regulator will begin to relax monetary policy. And the latest labor market data also indicate that the US economy is starting to contract, and the Fed must take this into account. And despite quite tough Fed's rhetoric, FedWatch data indicate that investors expect the first easing of monetary policy as early as the March meeting. What's happening technically? Let's have a look at the chart. Bitcoin may have a bullish week if the CPI continues to decline, signaling the success of the Fed's action. This, in turn, will provide more reasons to shift towards a policy of interest rate easing and cause a local bullish surge in the crypto market. In this case, even if the Commission does not approve any applications of Bitcoin ETF, because it will become a sell the news event, Bitcoin has every chance to continue its upward movement. Meanwhile, institutional investors continue to accumulate Bitcoin coins in anticipation of Securities and Exchange Commission's decision. And thanks to this, Bitcoin recovered over 43,500 over the weekend. And as of yesterday, it was trading near the 44,000 level with a daily trading volumes around $23 billion. The fear and greed index is at 67, indicating high buying activity and belief in further growth. Most likely, Bitcoin's price will continue its upward movement towards the 45,000 level, which will be the key target for the bulls. If it consolidates above this level, buyers can move towards $46,000 and higher. Given the presence of strong fundamental factors and high buying activity, Bitcoin is capable of updating its local highs above 46,000 level. And making a conclusion, Artem says that Bitcoin starts the new trading week with high hopes as bullish sentiments remain strong. The presence of potentially positive fundamental factors significantly increases the chances of a successful upward movement to $45,000 and higher. Considering these facts, an eventful trading week can be expected with high liquidity in the market, high levels of volatility, and updates of price highs. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's the 9th of January, and Bitcoin opened today at the point 47,149, and now it is trading at 46,896. So it did manage to move above $45,000 and even above $46,000. It reached even $47,000, as we can see, and then it retreated a little, and it is trading now almost at $47,000. So it's a sustained bullish movement, and we can expect updating even high highs in these days. Well, this is all for today. We will see each other tomorrow in our next review. I wish you to have a successful start of this trading week, successful trading. Have a nice day and see you next time. Goodbye.